Bonfire night. Look at that strut. Got Sol, eh? I reckon they're standing on a normal spot. Already on, yeah. We'll go stand up that boat. Up railings.
We are going to stand up by the boat at the railings. So come in here and I'll meet you at the... What's that green light flashing up there? Out in the sky. Oh, it's gone now.
Might be a drone.
The band's so below that.
We started early this year. We didn't even last year before.
That's the camera you want. Like this.
Oh, you've got Ryan's number or Danny's number?
Get it out! Why have you got it out?
Doing your hair.
Why have you got it out? Is it on?
Yeah.
No, it's not. Oh, we can't fell off my head. Someone touched my head. Someone touched my head.
So there's a little bit around.
Someone touched my head.
Merry Christmas. No. We used to hold the stick and let it go off with gloves on, yeah. There's been a bit of a situation down on Scarborough Seafront. Ambulance, police, and the air ambulance has just landed. 2 kids holding a firework, blew his hand off, blew his face off. Circling round just to get his spot. Little circle around, they'll be back. Another circle round. I don't know. They're letting people past.
Yeah, they're heading.
Well, they killed it, didn't they? Having their hand blown off and the face blown off, killed it. Spelt his Anna with bonfire.
Like me.
Huh? See if we can see Gran's Christmas tree as well, though.
Is that you? That's you from the sky. I do drink. No.
Hey, oh, shh, coppers are here. Shh. Don't want them taking you away.
Oh, it smells like one of them little beef dinners that you make in London. They've got the tree up.
Yeah? Got a tree up. There they all are. Oh, he's off on another job. Him up there. In unmarked car.
They're all over,
Aren't they? Everywhere. So what happens when you blow your face off? Well, don't mess with fireworks. That's all I can say.
Cross over here.
Cross over here. You'll change that gear.
Yeah. Needs an M2.
Yeah. So I just want to finish this video off. It's now a couple of days after bonfire night. Just regarding the firework display at Scarborough. Unfortunately, what I can see is just a firework gone wrong. It wasn't, by the looks of it, they were just lighting a firework. But the rumours that go around and spread around and what's put on social media, at the end of the day, 2 lads got hurt. And it wasn't nice to see. Jess actually was talking to him in the RNLI, and he did look a bit of a mess. His hand looked a bit of a mess. His face looked a bit of a mess. But it just shows that when you're messing about with fireworks, you get hurt. When you're just literally lighting a firework. Now, there's rumours going around that they were throwing fireworks at each other. There was a previous video with another lad. They were throwing fireworks at each other. And you're just asking for trouble. The air ambulance didn't end up landing because the debris were on the beach, so they landed it at Scarborough Hospital and took him from there as far as we can work out on social media. So we just hope him all the best, and it was a good night, but it also turned into a bit of a bad night. But strangely, there wasn't a lot of chaos. It wasn't sort of nobody was sort of running around frantic or anything like that. The RNLI lads were absolutely 100% spot on what they were doing. The people helping the lad they were absolutely, you know, they did an absolute fantastic job of keeping him calm and stuff like that. So I just do all the best for him, really, and that he makes a speedy recovery. For him to just ignore the internet and what stuff's saying. There's so many different videos going around, so many different speculations of what happened and stuff like that. I have actually seen a video where it just does look like they are just literally lighting a firework. and it goes off. Me and my father-in-law actually felt the thud through our bodies. It was that loud, and when you turned, you just saw him collapse on the floor. And it's not nice to see, and a lot of kids saw it as well, and it does sort of bring it home. It sort of shocks you. So yeah, that was bonfire night, a bit of an entertaining one. We didn't go last year because I was working away on the truck. The year before it was freezing cold, but it was a really good night. Lots of fireworks, lots of good ones. I'm sort of bit disappointed in the police, really. They were very abrupt, one was very job worthy, sort of very abrupt with one of the lads that was trying to help his mate by making a barrier around him so people weren't staring, which the RNLI lads said, can you guys just stand here? Just sort of gives him a bit of privacy. The police officer just came over. He was just so abrupt, not very professional at all. So that sort of annoyed me, really. It pissed me off, really, that copper was... He wanted statements off people, but he was very abrupt and very, like, go away, and it was just not nice to see. That's not the policing that I just really wanted to see on a bonfire night at such a serious incident. So anyway, I don't actually know his name, and I don't know the other lad's name, but I know that he had a severe hand injury. The other one had facial and hand injuries. So from our family to your family, I hope you make a speedy recovery. And he is due a baby in 2 weeks, so I hope the pregnancy and the birth and everything goes fantastic. And I hope you sort yourself out and you get back to fitness, whatever your injuries long term are. So anyway, that's the bonfire night video complete. And leave a like, leave a comment, be nice, be caring, and we'll see you on the next video.